Now, through this, it's also fair to say that tech stocks themselves have held up relatively well. And obviously, again, this feeds into the fact that the public perceives tech companies to be well positioned to not only ride out the impact of COVID-19, but then to help society and the economy to recover thereafter. So from that point of view, tech companies may actually retain a means of raising cash, which may not be immediately available to other parts of the wider economy. But it remains to be seen how they will be able to actually utilize that opportunity and the extent to which they will be allowed to do so.
What we are seeing at the moment as a market trend is that the public sector firms lag behind, and there is a critical demand for, let's say, digital transformation as the public sector, I think you mentioned it before, realize that they have to pick up. So creating more opportunities for IT services and support firms. That's one, let's say, dynamic in the market currently, which is a positive top trend. The other one is, let's say, that it is, we are in the age of customer retention, and therefore everything regarding CRM and the integration of CRM with other systems and other platforms is of critical importance at the moment. And we see firms looking out for respective assets. In terms of, let's say, funding or, let's say, access to financial resources, kits, we've seen a significant number of deals where, let's say, the corporate venture capital programs have kicked in, as in parallel, venture capital is expected to deploy capital at a reduced level at the moment. So there is a trend which has shifted towards the bigger corporates.
For sort of last few decades, certainly in relation to sort of tech M&A activity, we're very much used to sort of merger control, but it's very much an economic-based assessment as to whether, you know, you're creating a dominant position in a particular sector. What we've started to see in the last 2 years really was an increasing number of countries having sort of some form of national protectionism legislation coming into place in order to be reviewing foreign transactions. And that now really has also impacted the technology sector. So